Hey there, I'm gonna show you this painting that was done by that thick rope that was on a bucket, so kind of a rope pull. Turned out pretty cool. So that turned out pretty cool. And then this was using the airbrush, and I adore the cells and the color. It's just very soft and gentle, but the details are fascinating. So today I'm doing a string pull, a ribbon pull actually, I suppose, on this triangle canvas that I found at Joann Fabrics. This is what it looks like. And seems really nicely constructed. It's got the rounded edges, which I like. And the ribbon I'm using is actually one that I used for a previous pour, so it's hardened. It's like hard now. I think I got white on it. I'll just wipe that on my shirt. So I'm hoping that the stiffness of it kind of gives it a different look. Granted, it may just soften right back up once it hits the paint, but I thought it would be worth a shot. I also got some different thicknesses of rope at Joann's that I will be trying out a different day, but they're pretty thick and this canvas is very tiny, so I thought that would look awful. I'd have like one swipe and that would be it. Alright, so I have Soho brand dioxazine purple, which, yep, let's go with that. Arteza brand carmine red, Arteza brand Indian yellow, and Arteza brand pearl sapphire blue. I really love that sapphire. I forgot my paper towels. I stood up earlier and went to the other side of the room to grab my paper towel. But on the other side of the room, I've been working on, I've just been painting on sheets of paper for prints and stuff. And so I think I got sidetracked looking at those and totally forgot why I ventured over to that side of the room. So that is my white house paint. I keep forgetting, I'd given my dad MDF for him to cut a long time ago, and I think we both forgot all about it. I know I did until I was looking at this triangle. Because one of my favorite pieces I did on a scrap piece of triangle wood that I found at my dad's shop, and I end up giving it to him. It's the most beautiful flip and drag ever. I'll try and find the photo of it on my phone and add it to the end of this video. Unfortunately, I was going through my phone last night and I had, broken up albums. Like my daughter had an album, my son, I had an art album, etc. And all of them are gone. Like, I think all the pictures are still there in Google, but all of those designated albums are gone. And I don't know why or how that happened. But I was watching a TV show last night, trying to watch a new show, And I could not concentrate because I just kept going, where the heck's my stuff? Okay, so I kind of lifted it up there because it was dragging a lot of white paint. And I didn't want that much. This is going to need quite a bit of tilting, but that is okay. Tilting always makes it look unique. Without any texture on the ribbon, it doesn't cut through the paint. You can see though, I wonder, I'm going to try tilting it now and then going back over it. And I'm even going to change direction. But I am going to go over it. Yeah, I am definitely going to tilt this so it will not end up looking like the other ribbon pulls, just because I'm not getting the paint to do exactly what I want. And since you can see how it's scooping, and I am even switching it around, so I'm manipulating the paint in a different way right here. Because when I tilt, let's see if I can tilt some really interesting. So I'm gonna let it go off the side a smidge. So this is bare right here. So I do need to tilt it over that. The way I want. add some more blue. Right about here. And then immediately tilt back over it. I think I'm going to get rid of this part right here. So if you're noticing, this does not really look like my string pulls. But on the other hand, it is a really great way to lay color down on your canvas, one color at a time, which gives you way, way, way more control than just dumping a flip cup on it. So, I mean, obviously I am not in complete control of this, and you really can't be in complete control of a fluid painting. Which is part of the plus and the challenge of this type of artwork. But this kind of gives it, it's like mini swipes. It's a great way if you want cells. You know, I got tons of cells going on in there. I am still uncertain if I like the style of this one. I'm going to torch and see. I do love this triangular canvas. I'm trying to think, it wasn't very much. I think it was $4 or $5. Which for this teeny size is, you know, but not seeing this shape. And I really do need to get together with my MDF dude. Maybe after I'm done with this, I will text him. So there are bare spots here, but when it dries, it will dry correctly. I do like this little touch of yellow there. Somebody on my other ribbon pour, and it had like a big splash of yellow like that, and they're like, that really, really bothers me. And I had to laugh because my husband feels the same way about yellow, and he had to wear it in, like, growing up as his school uniform. And he has hated yellow ever since. When we moved in, I wanted to paint the kitchen yellow. He was like, no way. So I did the kids' bathroom in yellow instead. Now I would not ever want a yellow room, but that was like 2000, 2001. There are yellow rooms that are pretty, but oh my God, not the yellow I painted. It was a little much. So, way awesome. I bought all the triangles they had, so I'll have to check back in like a week or two when they re-inventory. It's kind of a neat little area. As I said, I like that little splash. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.